On behalf of Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation, I would like to welcome all our distinguished guests here at our head office and manufacturing plant in Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
I wish to refresh also that the Philippine Quality Awards gives 3 recognition levels and then the highest level, which is the only award that the country gives to organizations fitted to become among the very few. And we are very happy to be standing in the soil of one of them. It is the Philippine Quality Award, the Level 4 Award, which is the award for performance excellence.
We are all excited to formally welcome you to Team Quality and be with us in advocating I am excellence in this country.